What is up, people? What is up, people? This is Abraham Walker with 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐅𝐞𝐚𝐭, your Northern Virginia real estate agent. Today, we're going to take a look at the lower level unit in the Neabsco Commons. This is a development by Townhome. So in this model here, this is the Ian model on the lower level. The Isaac model is on the upper level. That'll be the next video in the series. We have a kitchen, we have an island, we have a one-car garage off to the back, we have your powder room off to the front here. Upstairs, there's a balcony off of, or like a terrace off of your owner's suite, which is this room right here. And then we have some flex space off to the back, and you have one bedroom with also, there's a balcony off of that flex room. This is a pretty cool layout. I think you're gonna really be surprised, especially with the bedroom layout, right? So let's get inside. With this little terrace right here, you could actually decide to have that enclosed and have a closet if you want to, but there are about 34 units, 36 units to be built. There's 3 properties that are available for immediate move-in. So let's get inside. Before we go into this beautiful home, did you know that there are 3 recommended home inspections for new construction properties? If you didn't, let's work together to ensure you have the best building experience in Northern Virginia. I specialize in assisting buyers like you throughout the entire new construction process. Best of all, the builder covers my real estate commission, which means you'll have no money out of pocket for my services. I'll be with you through your contract negotiation, design center consultation, 3 home inspections, final walkthrough, and the signing of your closing paperwork to receive the keys for your new home. To get started, simply click the link in the description below to complete our perfect home questionnaire. Once completed, we'll meet online via Zoom to answer all your questions about buying a new home in Northern Virginia. But for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this stunning property tour. I'll talk to you soon. As soon as you walk in, we have your powder room off to the front here, pedestal sink, little toilet, and then we have, this is more like your linen closet, but it's a fairly large linen closet. What you probably do here is you probably have some of your larger appliances in there, and then we have your living room space here, right? So we have like your butler's pantry over there, that little patch of countertop space. We have that island, we have your stove, and then we have your living room. Because this is a corner unit, you have this window right here to deal with in your design. But what I would do is I would actually get myself a nice little L-shaped sectional sofa right there to make the most out of this space. Then get your TV put right on the wall there, maybe get it mounted and then have it at an angle, and that would make the most out of this space here. So you can see there's plenty of room between your island and your cabinets on the wall with your stove there. I like how much countertop space they've given you with this little butler's pantry area, or butler station, right? So our sink view here, to our left, we have your living room space. Straight ahead, we have room for 3 chairs across the island here. Through that door, that's actually where your garage would be, right? So this door here is where your pantry is located, and then this door here is where your coat closet coming off of your garage. So again, really like this little area here, give you some additional countertop space and cabinets. All right, so let's go upstairs to the bedroom level. 1, 2, 16, 17. Okay, so to the back of the property, we have this loft area. Then we have some flex space with the balcony off of it. You could enclose this space and have a 3rd bedroom. If you do, you would lose the balcony, and then this loft space would be slightly smaller because there would be a closet that would be built out for this room. There's your bedroom, and then down this walkway here or hallway is a bathroom and a laundry room. Then off to the front of the property, we have your owner's suite, and then this is your linen closet. All right, let's go explore. So remember, flex space or bedroom, bedroom or flex space with balcony, or bedroom, no balcony. So you can see there are a couple balconies that have been installed. This entire site here is where Dries Homes will build out the other, I think it's like 34 or 36 unit right over here. So maybe you can make this flex space into like an office. That would be pretty cool, pretty useful. So down this hallway here, this first door is your laundry room. So you have your washer and dryer on this side here. And then back here, you have your hot water heater with your HVAC system. If you buy this model, make sure you install one of those door stoppers right there to ensure your door doesn't swing open into the hot water heater. Now in your guest bathroom, we have a single vanity or single bowl. We have your tub, the only tub on this level, and there's no light up there. So remember, when you're doing new construction, make sure you add that light above the guest bathroom, okay? Wherever there's a guest bathroom and there's a tub, there's usually an option to have a light up there. Get that light installed. Your guest will thank you later. All right, let's take a look at that this bedroom here. So we have a full-size bed in this space. We do have a nightstand here, and we have a dresser on the wall there. Now we do have some lovely wallpaper here, and we have a double door closet, the sliding type. I love the sliding doors, save space. You don't have to worry about the doors sliding or opening up into the area here. This closet is a little bit wider than the door itself, and this bedroom is off to the back of the property. All right, one more door to explore before we go into the owner's suite. So this is your linen closet there. And here is the owner's suite. So we have this nice little hallway here. This hallway contains your owner's bathroom. So you have your double sink with the storage area in the middle, which allows you to have really nice countertop space. You have your bathroom or your shower here. It's a walk-in, but there is no bench right there. So maybe get like a little bamboo seat to go in there. We got our command center right here. And then we have your walk-in closet. Now, this walk-in closet kind of threw me for a loop. You have this little bump out area. This is actually the head space for your stairs coming up, right? What you probably want to do is probably have some custom cabinets made here, or if you want to go something that's a little bit more economical, have your rods stop right where this bulkhead or whatever begins, and then put a rod a little bit higher up. So then you can store some items just across here, and then you just won't use the space all the way to the back. But there is a solution. There is a solution. All right, so now we're gonna go into the bedroom here. We have a king size bed, 2 vanities. This bed is huge, right? So you have like the little platform set up, and then you have like this little edge over here. And despite all that, this room kind of fits it really nicely. I mean, look, you still have a lot of space, or a decent amount of space to walk between your dresser and your bed. Really nice windows with your end unit. There is this space here with this chair, which what I think should go there is, because you have the balcony or the terrace on this option, which the terrace is super cute. All right, look at that. You get some fresh air right before you begin your day, or maybe get some fresh air right before you end your day, right? Since the terrace is right there, I would put like a little coffee station right there, espresso station. I don't drink caffeine, so I would put a hot chocolate station right there. That'd be a great way to end or begin your day. So that's it for this model here. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section, or you can fill out the Perfect Home questionnaire. The link is in the description. Once you fill it out, we'll meet online via Zoom. Until next time, peace.